Good morning, beautiful friends. Welcome back again for another garden tour. I am on the front garden, guys. It's supposed to be really cold on the next few days, but so far it's been good. And then all those flowers, it's not looking good, but I can't complain. And I didn't water them that much. They look dry, but acceptable. Yeah, I make so many cutting of those crouton, guys. It's a lot. And they still pushing out beautiful. I really like this color. And also look at this one. It's really good. It's really good. I think I need to come back and trim. Leave only one branch. Trim this branch on this side. Yeah. And yeah, I think everything look really good so far. I need to pick up all those thing leaves on the ground. This is what I'm battling right now is some leaves from my tree, and there's some leaves from my neighbor tree. I need to take care all of them. But yeah, it's that.